Hey kids, let's make a fun project today. This video will guide you through the Santa template. First, color the Santa with any colors you want. Remove a small amount of paper backing from the copper tape and start applying the copper tape on the brown trace line. Try to maintain a continuous strip with no cuts. Fold the copper tape at the corners and smoothen with your finger. Now mount the LED to the template, but before you do this, determine which leg of the LED is positive and which leg is negative. Place the battery on the given battery circle with negative side facing down. Fold the card and press the section marked press to test your circuit. Your circuit is now complete.